Hello, welcome to Patricia Delights, and today we will be making strawberry shortcake muffins. Okay, let's get started with the ingredients. We're going to start with 1 cup of yellow cornmeal, 1 cup of flour, a 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of milk, a 1/3 cup of melted butter, 2 large eggs, a 1/3 cup of strawberry jam, and 1 teaspoon of strawberry flavoring, strawberry extract to be exact. Okay, so we're going to add our dry ingredients first to our bowl, and then we'll start with our wet ingredients. We're going to mix our dry ingredients together. Okay, now we're going to add our melted butter. And we're going to add our eggs, 2 large eggs. And we're going to add our cream, our milk. I'm going to mix that together. Okay, now we're going to add our strawberry jam. And our strawberry extract. Okay. I have already prepared muffin pan that has been sprayed with butter flavored spray. And we're going to ladle this to our pan. Now we're going to put this in the oven at 350 degrees for about 20 minutes. Okay, now that the muffins have come out the oven, they're still warm, but pretty much starting to cool down. So we're going to take them out of the muffin pan and put them on a plate. Okay. Now we're going to take our muffin. Now if you want to, you can leave it just like this, put the strawberries on top, or you can cut it in half. It's all up to you. So let's put some strawberries on top. And by the way, I cut the strawberries up the night before and sprinkled some sugar on top and mixed it up so it had time to just kind of marinate and make like a juice. Okay, so now we're going to take our whipped cream. Put a few more strawberries on top here. Cream and put our whipped cream on top. And then I have some Boysenberry Syrup that I'm going to squeeze on top of that. Okay, now we're going to try it and see how it tastes. All right, look at that. That's the corn muffin. It's nice and moist. I'm gonna put strawberry on there. Mmm. That taste is amazing. Mmm. The textures. It's just so many textures and it just really comes together. It's really good. You guys are going to enjoy this. So, thank you for joining me on Patricia Delights. If you like this video, please give it a thumb up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit the bell so you will get notification when I post another video. Have a wonderful day and I will see you next time. Bye.